So hey guys, welcome back to Professor Cardz English channel, and if you have not subscribed to this, I'll really recommend you to do it because why not? You are getting information only, and as you have seen on the thumbnail, we are going to talk about the Accor Plus program, which was in the mix frenzy till last night. Why? Because Accor Plus members were getting 3000 extra Accor points whenever they were purchasing the membership for 16,520 rupees. Apart from that, when they were paying with their Atlas card or any travel specific card, they are getting those perks as well. So that is why the total cost of the Accor program was somewhere around 8,000, which they had to pay 16,000, but they were getting back around 8,000 in that. So effectively it was 8,000 only, and there was a lot of benefits which they were getting. So this is a very basic video, and I'll try to be as simple as possible so that everybody can understand. Whoever is here on the channel for the first time, they are able to foresee what they are getting into. So first of all, Accor Plus is a paid membership program from the Accor group of hotels, which gives you some extra benefits. And the most important benefit is a stay plus award night. So what is that stay plus award night? You basically get one night free at any of the participating hotels. However, there are some specific hotels which don't provide you free stay night. As of now, when you go to the screen, that is accorplus.com/n, you can see over here 20 countries, 1000 hotels, 1400 restaurants, and 100 exclusive events are a part of this. And the number of hotels which are a part, you can see over here. So it includes from Novotel to Movenpick to Swiss Hotel to Mantra to the Sebel, Peppers, even Ibis Tribe, Ibis Styles, Ibis Budget, Break Free, and you name it, it is there. Grand Mercure, even Hotels and Resort Art Series. So let me be very clear. Last year I bought the membership for 1200 Accor points, which I thought was a overkill because the room I redeemed it for, it was somewhere around 15,000-16,000. So kind of I lost some value on that. So that is why I did not upgrade my membership this year. However, because the 3000 points offer was going on, so I again purchased the membership. So again, you have to take a very calculative decision whether you are interested in this or not. And you can always contact me. There is an RM from Accor Plus who is ready to help you out with this membership. The 3000 points are not there, but whenever you want to take it, you can just DM me and I can give you the contact of her and you can take this membership. Let's talk about what do you basically get. So you get a guaranteed 10% off on the best public rate. This doesn't make a lot of sense because generally when you book through third-party websites, you get more than 10% of discount. Stay plus complimentary night is yes. This is something to look forward to. 50% of dining is yes. When you have a group of people, they slash the food bill by 50%. Then you get a elite status night with a bonus of 20 status nights. So basically what happens is, let's say I buy a membership today. So you have to understand, like the status nights and the status miles, whatever you earn, they all reset on 31st of December every year. However, the status remains. So these 20 status nights will be there till 31st December. But with this 20, if we stay 10 more nights, with this 20 we reach silver level already. With 10 more nights we reach gold, and then with again 30 more nights you reach platinum. So basically you get 20 nights. So for platinum or gold level, for gold you need 10 more, and for platinum you need 30 more. So that is the easiest part. Then you can again buy Accor China program, or again you can go for the Brazilian Accor program. They are all different videos. We will talk about them in a future thing. Then you have options to exclusive events and other things. But let me tell you, like out of these, the only two things which you should consider based on the things are the sometimes the red hot rooms, which give you up to 50% discounts on some things. 50% of the food bill I have not used last year. 15% on drinks bills in Asia, I have only used it once. The vouchers which you get, these are the vouchers based on the location you are in. So North and East India, West India, based on the place you stay, you get these vouchers. So these have generally discount vouchers on spa. I'll just open one so that we are clear what we are talking about. I'll put the description, a link in the description. You can go and check it out. So as you can see, one complimentary stay night, 50% off exclusive member rate, 10% off daily rates and everything, 50% off food bill, when 15% of dining bill. Then the certificates is like one complimentary buffet lunch for 2 people at participating hotel Accor, like Accor hotel and restaurant. I used this last year. Room upgrade certificate, one complimentary dessert certificate, 5500 discount on food and beverages over participating Accor, 40% of group dining when a group of 4 to 10 adults dine. Then there is member for a day certificate, which you can give it to any non-member and then you can make them a member. One complimentary birthday cake, which I have used last year. Then there are hotel specific regional certificate. For example, for North India, you get this Novotel New Delhi Aerocity buffet lunch or dinner for 2 people at Food Exchange. So this is a certificate. You can go and take this. 50% discount certificate for group dining at Pullman, Novotel IBS and IBS Gurgaon. 50% discount you can get up from 6 adults to 12 adults. Then you get buy 2 get 2 drinks at Pullman, New Delhi at Pling Bar, 20% discount. So based on the requirement, you can check out whether this makes sense or not. And based on the hotel. So there are a lot of things you can go through first and then you can see whether it makes sense or not. Then there are some upgrade certificates like at Tatva, if you purchase 60, you get 90 minutes of therapy. You can get a buy one get one complimentary Tatva at Grand Mercure Corn Bangla, Novotel Outer Ring Road, Guwahati, or Kochi Info Park. Then you get 50% discount on facial therapy at Tatva. So based on the location, the hotel, you get different kinds of vouchers. And this is the north and east. You can go for the west, southwest, and southeast India as well. So apart from that, now let's come back to these are all the benefits which are there, the vouchers and everything. Now let's go back to the complimentary night thing. So this is a very important thing because most of us correlate the value we can achieve from this comparatively to the amount of money we are paying, that is 16,520 rupees. So even if we can get a room for rupees 16,520, we are in the profit. However, till last night, 31st July, since you were getting 3,000 Accor points plus some of the air miles through the credit cards, so anything over 10,000 would be a game. So it would be break even, plus you get extra benefits and vouchers which I just shown you. So here I have already logged in and I have a Stay Plus night in my name. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to search in India between September 3 and September 4. So it is 1 month ahead. And there are 2 adults which I'm going to stay. And so first we are going to search without the Stay Plus. So that we have a fair comparison of what we are looking into. So, and if we do it by descending price, so it starts with, let's say, Raffles Jaipur for 27,000 per night, Fairmont Udaipur 26,000, Raffles Udaipur 25,000, and these are taxes are not included. So 4,800 is the tax. So it is 31,000 for Raffles Jaipur. Fairmont Udaipur is 30,000 somewhere because 4698 is the taxes. You can just, I hope you are able to read. Raffles Udaipur is something like this. Grand Mercure Bangalore is 26,550. Then you have Sofitel BKC at 18,000. Novotel Bangalore Outer Ring Road at 15,000. Fairmont Jaipur at 13,299. Fairmont Mumbai at 12,960 plus taxes. Grand Mercure Bangalore at 12,150. Novotel Hyderabad at 10,829. Ibis Bangalore Outer Road. So these are all the things, and anything above 10,000 right now is fair game, I must say, because people who have taken 3,000 rupees of benefits, they are the core points, they are good enough. They are at a safe space. So anything without taxes, if it is somewhere around 9,000, so we are not going to look at these. So let's say this is a Angsana Oasis Spa and Resort. And again, this is around 11,000. Then you have Novotel. A lot of them are there, and we can all see. Okay, so these are all the as of now, these are all the things which we can see. And then there will be more. There will be Ibises. So a total of 66 hotels are there, if I'm not wrong. So let's activate the Stay Plus, so that we are able to get a decent idea of what we are looking into. So India for the same date. So I have signed in, and let us first search with the prices. So here you can see a little toggle. If you have a Stay Plus night activated, you have a little toggle over here which you can see and see. So with descending prices, let's go. And as of now, if you can see, we have 62 hotels which are available for the same date, and the list remains same. Raffles Jaipur, Fairmont Udaipur, and which we have just seen. So let's just toggle this and see how much can we save or how much we don't, and which hotels are participating. So first of all, we were being given a list of 62. Now we only have 38 hotels which are available. So this is the first thing which you should understand. So out of 62, only 38 hotels are available for this Stay Plus night. This is the first thing. Now with the Stay Plus, the options which we right now have is Sofitel Mumbai BKC for 8,000 plus taxes, which is like not worth it absolutely. Then you have Novotel Hyderabad, which was somewhere around 9,000 plus taxes, if I'm not wrong. Here it is 1,180, and then after that everything else is free. So the options of free is Ibis, Novotel Hyderabad, Novotel Vijayawada, Ibis Nasik, Novotel Vishakhapatnam, Ibis Pune, Novotel Pune, Grand Mercure Vadodara, Surya Palace, Imagica, Novotel Khopoli, Novotel, everything is Novotel over here. Novotel Gomti Nagar, Novotel Jaipur, Grand Mercure Goa Candolim, Novotel Goa Candolim, Pullman you have Chennai Anna Salai, Pullman, one of the Pullmans is available at least. So as you can see, most of the Novotels and the Pullmans are available. Like Pullman Delhi is not available, however the other one was, and this is what you get. So any Novotel, like the property prices can go till 13, 14,000, 15,000 as well. So there we are able to get a decent amount of value. So again, if we compare it with the prices of the normal rates available for the members. So first of all, let's say we change the dates from September to next year January. So there are now 60 hotels available, and the prices are very high, like 1,20,000, 72,000, 71,000, 50,000, 48,000, 40,000, 36,000, 25,000. So everything is very high. So if I activate this button, what happens then? So here you can see Sofitel Mumbai BKC is available for 4,000. Novotel Hyderabad free. This is the prime, like the New Year Eve we are talking about. So Pune, Grand Mercure Vadodara, Novotel Imagica. So the high-end hotels are not available. Novotel Mumbai International is available. Pullman Chennai Anna Salai is available. Grand Mercure Bangalore at Gopalan Mall is available. And you just saw like what the prices are for this Gopalan Mall. I'll just deactivate and see. So raffles and everything is not available at all. So around 16,150. So Grand Mercure Bangalore Gopalan Mall we are getting at 16, 17, 18, 19,000. So we are getting a value because this was free, as we just saw. Grand Mercure Candolim we are getting for free. So we can definitely get a amount returned back very specifically, but the high-end hotels, the Raffles, Udaipur, Jaipur, Fairmont Jaipur, these are not available. So here the free night remains a dud, because you don't get to enter you don't get to book the high-end hotels. However, for Novotels, just as you saw, Sofitel, the Grand Mercures, they are all available, and based on the date, like if you want to celebrate the New Year's Eve at Gopalan, like Grand Mercure Gopalan on Bangalore, it is one of those deals. So you have to search for the location. For the time you want the redemption, it may not be the price you want to get. However, at the end of the day, if you can get somewhere around 12 to 15,000 worth of redemption, I think this thing is worth it. But again, you don't need to spend 12,000 reward points, as per my opinion, like 12,000 reward points on this membership. For 7,500 with the HDFC card holders, it did actually make a bit of sense because it was costing around 15,000 worth of Accor points. For 12,000, it is somewhere around 24,000. So for 24,000, it is absolutely not worth it. If you pay by cash and the 3,000 points which people have taken, they would have again made a lot of sense. However, for 7,500, like the offer came for the HDFC card holders, it is again doesn't make a lot of sense for 15,000 bucks because you were getting somewhere benefits. However, at this moment of time, if you're watching this video till now, if you are considering buying this, so right now it is not the correct time because first of all, you may not get the 5x miles with Access Atlas. That is one thing. So you're paying a full amount of 16,000, maybe less by 1,000, so 15,000 something you are spending, and you are not getting the full benefit. So that is why I also waited for a good offer. You should also wait for the good offer. And if you need, like after even getting the good offer, if you need an RMS number, you can DM me on Twitter. And guys, this is our new channel. I hope you guys like this content. If you do subscribe to the channel. We already have 31k subscribers over here, and I'll catch you up in my main channel on the weekly Coffee with Credit Cards video, and we'll upload one more video on this channel tomorrow. Take care, bye bye, see you, and Jai Hind.